Hello, let's talk about the applications of physics in real life. So here we see the fields where physics is applied in our real life. Let's start like at home. All tools and the machines that we use in our homes to make work easier are made in accordance with the laws of physics. Example of such materials, example of such tools like hoes, hammers, door handles, knives, spoons, hinges, and car jack, pulleys, tag implements, and so many other things. So electrical appliances such as also as cooker, hot iron, heater, electric lamps, washing machines, and the others are all made a result of application of knowledge of physics, meaning that through various maybe knowledge we get from the study of physics, through various principles we get from physics and laws we get by studying this physics has enabled the use of these materials. It has enabled the construction of these useful home materials. The other one is that in medical field, a variety of medical processes and the machinery rely on the application of knowledge of physics. So some of these machines that we use in the diagnosis and treatment of various ailments, so they are used to treat and they help to make the patients pass, example to pass through therapy. So example of such machines such as laser, X-ray, incubators. Example, these X-rays are made by the knowledge of radiation, which we can get that through the study of physics. The other one in the transportation, as the application of laws of physics governing concepts such as friction and the friction of forces, where friction is that is the grinding or the tearing of two parts. So knowledge about this, it has ensured that human beings and the animals can walk. So example, when we are walking, there is a frictional force between your legs and the ground. So that enables walking, running, and help you to not stop or to help you stop and to avoid falling. So vessels used in transportation such as cars, ships, aeroplanes, and the trains are also able to move, brake, and stop when necessary because of the knowledge of physics. The other one is that in communication devices used in communication systems such as telephones, modems, who are accessing the internet and the television, use cables and the telecommunications transmitters and receivers all relay information. They are all made by the knowledge of physics. So the knowledge of physics is essential because these instruments make the use example of the fiber optics and the radio waves in order to relay messages. How they are doing that, we know it through the study of physics. And uh, if you keep up to my videos later on, you will know like the application example of various concepts which are going to learn, example friction, uh, radioactivity, and the others more and more and more. So these are the few of the applications of physics in real life. So physics is really important as there are various anything that we do in our life can relate to physics, various principles in physics. So thank you for listening in this video. Stay tuned to other next videos.